The Indian government had stated that the Pakistan players would get visas for the Hockey Asia Cup in Bihar. However, the Pakistan Hockey Federation had denied traveling to the neighboring nation.
Bangladesh are now likely to replace Pakistan for the regional tournament.
With Pakistan's refusal to travel to India for the Hockey Asia Cup, Bangladesh are likely to replace them for the regional event later in August. The Men's Asia Cup will take place in Rajgir, Bihar, from August 29 to September 7, with some of the finest teams from Asia set to lock horns against each other. The Indian government had earlier said that the Pakistan players would get visas for travel to India for the tournament. However, the Pakistan Hockey Federation (PHF) denied traveling to the neighboring nation due to security issues. Indian organizers have reached out to Bangladesh. Meanwhile, the Indian organizers have reached out to Bangladesh for coming to replace Pakistan in the regional tournament.
The scenario will be clear within the next 2 days.
The Indian government has already said that it is willing to provide visas to Pakistani players, but if they don't want to come to India, it's not our problem. Bangladesh has already been invited to participate in case Pakistan doesn't come, but we will have to wait for 2 more days to get the confirmation, the HI official said, as quoted by PTI, when asked about the situation.
Neither Pakistan or Bangladesh have confirmed anything to us till now. But Bangladesh are likely replacement for Pakistan, the source added.
Asia Cup to serve as qualifier for World Cup. The Asia Cup will act as a qualifier event for the Hockey World Cup 2026. 8 teams will play in the Asia Cup, out of which 5 will qualify for the World Cup in Belgium and the Netherlands next year. Apart from India, the other participating teams in the Asia Cup are China, Japan, Malaysia, South Korea, Oman and Chinese Taipei. Pakistan's participation in the tournament has been uncertain since the recent military confrontation between India and Pakistan. India launched Operation Sindoor after the Pahalgam terror attack. The 2 nations were in confrontation for a few days before they opted for an agreement to stop melee.